Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. First off, I want to say a couple thank yous. Meat Cranium at Meat Cranium Barbecue and Review, thank you for the shout out. Scott at The Real Show Barbecue Channel, thank you for the shout out. I appreciate it immensely. Anyway, today on Cooking with Corey, we're going to do a black and blue steak. Blackened steak with a blue cheese cream sauce. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Alright guys, we gotta do our shout outs. We haven't done our shout outs yet. We gotta do that before we get going. Ellen's Homemade Delights. She's got a lot of great stuff over there. Go check her out. Comparison Cooking, a new channel I just ran across. Does a lot of sous vide, comparison everything, kind of like, kind of. Great channel. Kids running around. Fun channel. Family channel. Go check them out. Cooking with James. Just did a pork butt. It looked delicious. Go check out Cooking with James and John over there at 1984 Barbecue. Go check him out. Great channel. Let's get that cook going next. Alright peeps, our ingredients of the day are parsley, some shallot, some garlic, a delicious looking New York strip steak, some blue cheese, some pauperdome blackening seasoning, some heavy whipping cream, some delicious Sauvignon Blanc, and some asparagus. Those will be our ingredients for today. Alright guys, we're going to do the easiest blue sauce there is on the nation. In the world, here it is. We got our pan, it's heating up. We're going to give it a little bit of olive oil. We are going to put in the shallot, half a shallot, 1 clove of garlic. We're going to give that a little bit of our delicious sea salt. It's good stuff. Right there. And some cracked pepper. And we're going to sweat this. And then we'll be back. This is easy. Easy peasy. We're going to cut out some studs to make this so easy that you're going to want to make it. Alright guys, we are cooking through our delicious shallot and our delicious garlic. We've added salt, we've added pepper, we're getting color. It is time to add just a little bit of some deliciousness. A little bit of Sauvignon Blanc, and I'm going to let that reduce down a little bit. Then we're going to add some delicious cream to that party, and then we're going to add some delicious blue cheese, and then we're going to have our sauce. We'll be back. Alright, we are reduced. We look good. Kind of syrupy. See how that goes? That's good. That means our wine has reduced. It's good. add half a cup of cream. And we added cream, so we gotta add a little salt. And obviously, fresh cracked pepper. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna juice this just a little bit, and then we will add some blue cheese to it, and it'll be delicious. All right, guys, we are reducing, and we are to the point to. I'm gonna reduce the heat just a little, and we're gonna add some delicious blue cheese to this. That's gonna be our sauce, guys. I will add a little bit of parsley, but let's crumble some blue cheese in there. Decent amount. A good 3 tablespoons of blue cheese, which will go really, really, really well with our black beans marinade. So we got that. We're gonna kill the heat. Heat is off. Our sauce is ready. Gonna add some parsley to the mix. Give that a little bit of color. Hey, you just made blue cheese sauce, guys. Easy peasy. Cut out a few steps, but you know what? We put wine in it. That makes it fancy, right? Alright, guys, we got a pan heating up. We're gonna add some oil to our pan. We're gonna see if we can set the smoke detectors off here. That stick goes in there. And we're gonna stir this, and we're gonna stir this to rare to blue rare to rare, I should say. Ain't gonna get cooked much, boys and girls. So we're gonna do it. And let this bad boy go. Let her up here before long. I'll show you when I flip it. Alright, we've been going like 4 minutes. We're gonna give her a flip. Look at that. That looks delicious right there. It's not burnt. If it didn't burn, it's not. It should look. We'll give it probably 2 minutes there. We're gonna pull it. And then we'll make it hard. Alright, it is time to plate our delicious black and blue steak. So let's get to that here. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some boiled potatoes that I did. Baby red potatoes. Some of those to the party to begin with. Then next, and you know, you can use what you want. I am a huge fan of the asparagus, so I'm probably going to use asparagus. So that's what we're going to use here next. We're going to add some asparagus to the party. A little crazy now. Alright, so we got our asparagus. We got our baby red potatoes there. And that's a good start. And we got the star of our show, which is right here, our steak. Let's see how we did here. Nice blue rare. Perfect. Look at that. So we're going to take him there and there, like so. Good blue rare, black and blue. Alright, so he's looking good in the hood so far. Alright, so we need to add some sauce. Here's our blue cheese sauce. This makes it the black and blue, the blackening seasoning. And then the wonderful blue cheese sauce. That's our dish. And look pretty. A little parsley to it. And there you guys got it. There is your black and blue steak with some boiled baby red potatoes and asparagus. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey. We'll see you around the next vid.